Hi, this is Handy TF. I am going to donate this computer. Before I give it away, I need to delete all my data. In this video, we will wipe clean all data and factory reset this Windows computer, and you do not need any password to do that. Boot your Windows 10 to reach the sign-in screen. Now press the Shift key on your keyboard and hold it down. Go to the lower right corner and press the power icon, and then select Restart. You can now release the Shift key. Choose the Troubleshoot option. Choose the Reset this PC option. Choose Remove Everything. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. Choose Fully Clean the drive. Click the Reset button. The computer should start resetting, and the resetting takes long time, so you need to keep the power plugged in. After several hours, you will be presented with a fresh install of Windows 10. I just turn it off, and leave it to the next owner to set up the system. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.